This problem asks us to solve the three-step equation -2 minus 13z equals 34 minus 4z. I'm going to draw a wall where the equal sign is to help me remember to keep it balanced on either side of the wall. Whatever I do to one side of the wall, I have to do to the other side. This equation is a three-step equation because the variable shows up on both sides. This is one of the few places in mathematics where you do have a choice. You can either move the 13z to the right side or the 4z to the left side. The equation will work either way. Let's start with my preference. My preference is to move the smaller coefficient on the variable, which is -13. I undo -13z by adding 13z to both sides. On the left side, I'm left with just -2. On the right side, I have 34, and then I have to combine like terms. -4z plus 13z is plus 9z. Once we've done this step, it is now a two-step equation, and I have to move everything that is with my z. I have a 34 and a 9 that I need to move. The first thing that I need to move is the 34. I undo the 34 by subtracting 34 from both sides of the equation. -2 minus 34 is -36. On the right side of the equation, I'm left with just 9z. I'm down to my last step. This is 9 times z. To undo 9 times z, I divide both sides by the number with the z, the 9. -36 divided by 9 is -4. So the solution to this equation is z equals -4. What if we had done it the other way? Let's write the equation again. -2 minus 13z equals 34 minus 4z. In the first way that I did it, I moved the 13z. But I did tell you that you have an option there. I could have moved the 4z first. I undo 4z minus 4z by plus 4z. I do that to both sides of my green wall. On the left side, I have -2 minus 9z when I combine the like terms, and on the right side, I have 34. At this point, I don't have any options. I have to move everything that's with my z. How do I undo -2? I add 2 to both sides. On the left side, I'm left with -9z equals, and on the right side, 34 plus 2 is 36. My last step to undo the -9 times z is to divide both sides by -9. So I'm left with z equals 36 divided by -9 is -4. You see that either way we do get the same answer of z equals -4.